Hey, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel, or if it's your first time, welcome. Today, Chef Dom and I are going to show you how to make an Italian delicacy. This is an old school recipe. It was passed down from our grandmother, and I'm sure it came from her parents and beyond that. But this is a pork skin braciole. I know what you're thinking. You know, pork skin or pig skin.
A lot of people don't like it, but
yeah, but this is absolutely delicious.
Look at that.
It melts in your mouth.
It's stuffed with fresh Italian parsley, cheese, red pepper, salt. I'm glad a lot of people don't eat it. More for me.
Anyway, we're gonna show you how to make this wonderful feast.
Today we're doing Sunday gravy. Yeah, it's gravy. That's what I'm calling it. If you don't like it, tough.
Yeah, we did a Sunday gravy probably a couple of years ago, and boy, it was a lot of controversy whether we called it sauce or gravy. But
Most of the people who were talking crap don't know anything about cooking anyway.
that's true.
Anyway, we got some beautiful pork skin here. We're gonna season it and with garlic, parsley, salt, pepper, little red pepper, some grated cheese, and we're gonna roll it up and tie it like braciole and cook it in the gravy. Well, it'll be gravy after all the meat is in there because we have sausages and steak and what do I got? Bought I can't think of what I got. Chuck roast.
Oh, yeah, chuck roast?
Yeah. All right, we're gonna chop up some garlic.
Watch your fingers there.
If I cut myself, I'm gonna cut your finger off.
Hey, we want to dedicate this video to our grandmother, our grandparents, our parents, our aunt and uncle, Lorraine and Uncle Angelo. They're up there in heaven, but they really enjoyed this dish. My grandmother, like I said earlier, this is my grandmother's recipe.
Okay. All right, also too, when you're cooking the skin and the meat and the gravy, it's got to cook for a long time, at least between 2 and 3 hours.
First, put some garlic on there.
All right, some salt. Some pepper. I'm gonna put a little red pepper in here.
Yeah, give it a little zing.
Because I love spicy. I got some cheese here.
Reggiano, Parmesan.
Parmesan. Some parsley. This calls for a lot of parsley, this dish.
Yeah.
Italian parsley.
Yeah. That's right.
Let me put a little more salt on there too.
There you go.
Okay.
Very nice.
Now we're gonna just roll this up.
And then smoke it. Look at that. Beautiful.
And that's it. I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna make this other one, and then I'm gonna put the skewer through there. All right, we'll roll this up.
Look at those. Those look fantastic.
Get in there.
All right.
All right, we're gonna cut this. We're gonna cut these in half because usually the ones I used to bring back from New York, they were only about that big,
Yeah, probably about
which is
6
fine.
inches,
Yeah, but that's all right. We'll just cut them in half.
Yeah, they'll cook quicker.
And
this
they'll
way.
probably cook faster.
Yeah, for sure. We should have put this video out right before football season started.
Pigskin?
That's okay. We can watch it then too. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and stick a
No splinters.
Yeah.
Let's see. I usually use string. I've never used the skewers before, but
Can you get it in there?
it's gonna go through the
Oh,
skin.
forget it.
All right, guys. We went ahead and got some string because the skewers would not go through this thick skin. So
Yeah.
we're
We
gonna
should
go
have
ahead
known that.
and tie these up. Real simple. I know my fingers are like freaking too big to hold the string, man. I can't handle the string, man. All right. Okay, there you go. That easy.
Looking good. Hey, check out our new apron. It says, let's get cooking. Show Dom. All right, and then we have this Brooklyn Brothers shirt here that says ciao, which means hello and goodbye at the same time, basically. Anyway, this helps us to pay Sean. You know, he's real expensive.
No, he's not.
Nah, but anyway, it helps support our channel, basically. All right, now we're getting our meat ready. The rest of our meat. We got some sausage from Jimmy's Deli, and what else you got there? Chuck roast, right?
Yeah, beautiful chuck roast.
Oh man, that's gonna be real nice. I just use half of it, though.
No, I'm gonna cook all of it.
Okay. It's gonna take longer.
No, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna cut it in threes.
Oh, okay.
I know what I'm doing. Get out of here.
I'm hungry. I want to eat.
What a beautiful chuck roast, man. Guys, this is what you want to use too for a great beef stew. Oh,
yeah.
man. Big piece of meat. Don't be afraid to season it. A little more salt in there. All right, now we're gonna just cut these. Normally, if we had a bigger pot or more time, because we're starving, I'm gonna cut these into 3 pieces.
There we go. Nice. Let's get this sausage.
Sausage going. Put the.
Gotta cut them up a little bit, cut them in half.
Oh, yeah.
Cut those in half.
All right, we're gonna start cooking this meat, guys. Putting a nice sear on this meat. We're gonna go ahead and turn these over a little bit.
We have a nice sear. Look at that. Beautiful. That smells unbelievable.
And we're also going to use the same, you know, the flavor for the sauce, all that great melted fat in there. So good for you. And tastes good.
That's so true, Dominic.
It is true, man. We're going to take beef out of here now.
Man, that looks good.
We're going to need a bigger plate.
Yeah, after you put
We're going to need a bigger boat.
After you put the sausage in,
Sausage?
we'll put everything in that plate. I cleaned this plate before anyone says anything about cross-contamination.
That's all right. If they do, I'll take care of them. Contamination, my ass. No one's ever gotten sick from our home cooking
That's
or
right.
in the restaurant.
That's right.
Never.
No one's gotten sick on our watch.
No. Time for these to
Like
come
a
out
firecracker.
before I shoot my eye out. You're gonna shoot your eye out. Christmas story. All right, we're gonna take this sausage out.
Zoom in on that meat there.
John, I was already on
Isn't
it.
that beautiful?
There you go. All right, I got a little red wine here, guys. I'm gonna just start, you know, glaze the bottom of this pan. I forgot one sauce each in there. And let that reduce, and then I'll throw the onions and garlic in there, and then the tomato. I'm gonna get our onions and garlic ready here for our gravy.
Oh, yeah.
You know, I really love pissing people off. You know that? I really do. It's definitely one of my good hobbies. This onion might be too big. Maybe we're just gonna use the bigger half right there.
I would use the whole onion.
Remember in Goodfellas, don't put too many onions in the sauce when they were in prison.
Yeah.
I use only 2 small onions. That's it, just 2 small onions.
Very nice. All right.
That's it, man.
Fry up.
Give that a few minutes, about 5 minutes, and then we'll throw the tomatoes in there and the meat. We're gonna throw some. I'm using this basil right here.
Yeah. Do what you will with it.
All right. We got our basil in there. Tiny basil. You know what? Now we're gonna put all the meat in there. I think the sausage I'll wait a little bit before I put it in because I don't want to cook the sausage in there. Well, it'll just be real soft, but it'll be good. But, all right, that's it. Now we're going to put in our
Tomato sauce.
I'll just take half of it out then. Plenty of sauce. That's going to turn into gravy. Yeah, with no flour and black pepper.
What distinguishes a sauce from a gravy?
Chocolate
Sauce
gravy.
just has tomato, and gravy has meat braised in the sauce.
Look at that, man.
Oh yeah, nice, perfect.
Okay, we're gonna be a while here, so it'll just be like 2 minutes for you guys, but 3 hours for us to eat. Damn it.
All right, we'll be back.
All right, we're gonna add some salt and pepper.
Little cheese to the sauce. It's all done. Everything, all the meat is all cooked perfectly, nice and tender. All right, that was some Reggiano Parmesan that we just put in there, about 3 tablespoons. All right, let's pull out this meat. Oh, look at that. Pull out a nice braciole. Oh, yeah.
Skin.
I mean, skin, yeah. Pull out some sausage. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Now, don't forget to remove the strings. Oh, man. man, that skin is so tender. All right. I'll go ahead and top it off with some more tomato sauce or gravy. I stand corrected. All right, let's eat. Let's test this out. We got some of our pasta here.
Oh man.
I'm gonna try some of this pork skin.
The first time Paul's eating it.
No, let me
He
tell
don't
you
know what
something.
he missed out in the last 50 years,
When I was a
60
child,
years.
when I was a child, I tried this and I did not like it. I did not eat it at all until probably about 50 years, not 50, about 40 years later, you know, I tried it again and I absolutely love it. That is really, really good. Melts in your mouth. Very, very good. Anyway, we appreciate the subscribers and want to remind everyone,
Delicious.
May 19th, we're going live. We don't know what we're gonna cook yet, so if you have any, excuse me, if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. I mean, even if we made something in the past, let us know what you'd like to see, and then we'll do that on a live episode. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate the
Thanks, guys.
subscribers, and we will see you guys next time.
Sorry, I'm eating.